Hello guys, it is Shivam here. Welcome to part 3 of awesome Flutter Firebase YouTube video player app series where we are developing the complete app from scratch. On this series, we will cover setting up Firebase as our backend, designing stunning user interface, YouTube player controls and many more. So do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this series. Now let's get started. But before moving to the code, let me show you how your app will look alike at the end of this series and what all features we are going to add on this series. So here you can see the app where at the top it shows a app name which is Flutter Courses, and in the right side of the screen you can see the user picture. Now just below of it there is a username which is Hi Shivam, and in the same container we have shown a app quote which is embark on a thrilling Flutter journey with Shivam Gupta where Flutter comes to life. So do not need to worry, I will tell you each and everything to how to create this awesome UI in your Flutter app. Now just below of it there will be a list of courses with the course banner and the course name, and it will also show how much videos are present on this specific course. So we'll show the count just below the course name. Now you can see a floating action button which shows a add icon. Now when I'll tap to this icon, it will directly take me to the add course page from where I can add the course, and it will directly shown in the home page. Now here I need to upload the course banner picture. So I will click to this camera icon and it will directly open my phone gallery. So I will pick a random image from my phone gallery. Now here is a text field. So we need to enter a course name here. So I will write a Flutter beginner course. Now I'll click to the add button. So as you can see, course has been uploaded successfully. Now let's move to the home page again and we'll check if the course have been shown in the home page or not. So here you can see that our course has been uploaded to the Firestore database and it is successfully been shown in the home page. Now here you can see the image and the course name with videos that present on this course. Though it is 0, but do not need to worry, we'll upload the videos to this course. Now let's move to the Firebase, and here you can see the course collection and the document ID that we have just uploaded from the add course page. So I will also tell you how to manage a cloud Firestore and how to upload the image to the Firebase storage. Now I'll tap to this course and it will directly take me to the course page, and here I will click to the add icon and it is telling us to add the YouTube link, though as you know that it is a YouTube video player app, so we need to add the link of the YouTube video in this text field and we'll click to the save button. So let's move to the my YouTube channel and we'll add some videos from my channel to this Flutter course app. Now here you can see my channel, so do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also see a join button here. So you can click to the join button and can join our code crafters club and can become a club member. Now let's move to the videos. So there are many videos in our channel, but we are going to upload this chat app link to our Flutter course app. So if you haven't learned the chat app, then I will recommend you to follow this awesome Flutter chat app series that we have made from the scratch. I will paste the link in the description box. And also do not forget to hit that like button after watching any of the videos from our channel. Now we'll copy this link from here and we'll move to the Flutter app and we'll paste the link here. Now we'll click to allow paste and click on save button. So as you can see that the thumbnail of our YouTube video has been uploaded to the, and it takes just a few seconds to show this thumbnail here, and this is the exact thumbnail of our Flutter chat app. Now let's move to the Firebase and we'll refresh this page, and here you can see the count changes to 1 because we have uploaded one video in our Flutter beginner course, and here it creates a videos collection with a document ID and the link of that video. So in the image it will upload the YouTube thumbnail image, which will help us to get to know what all videos have been uploaded to this specific course. I will tell you each and everything to how to upload the YouTube thumbnail image to the Firestore database. Here you can see the thumbnail that we have just uploaded by following this YouTube link. Now let's move to the second video. So I'm going to upload this e-commerce app that we have made from the scratch. Now I'll copy this link again and will click on the add button and will remove the previous link and will paste it here. Now click on save. So as you can see that again it takes just a few seconds to upload the second video thumbnail. Now let's move and add the third video to this course. So here you can see that I have created a 14 hours Flutter Firebase course video for the beginner with a 5 real projects. So if you haven't seen this video, I will recommend you to please watch this video because this will help you to learn lots of things regarding the Flutter and Firebase. Now we'll copy this YouTube link video and we'll paste the link. Now we'll click to the save button. So our third video has been uploaded to this course. Now let's add our last video to this course, which is a Flutter Firebase crewed by a real project. So we'll copy this link again and we'll paste it to the dialog box. Now click on allow paste. Now click in the save button. So as you can see that our 4 videos has been uploaded to the Flutter beginner course. Now let's move and we'll play this YouTube video. So now when I'll tap to this image, so here you can see the complete page of that specific video from the YouTube. Now when I'll click to this YouTube icon, then you can see it takes just a few seconds to play this video in our Flutter app. So as you can see how brilliantly our app is working, and by just a YouTube link you can upload the YouTube thumbnail to your app and can play the respective video to your Flutter app in the web view. So you can play any of the videos from here and it will take just a few seconds to play that video in our Flutter app. So do not need to worry, I will tell you each and everything how to add these features in your Flutter app. But before moving to the code, I have small request from you. I have been noticed from the stats by YouTube that while 88% of you are loving our videos, but you haven't hit that subscribe button yet. I think so. I need to tell in the different languages to subscribe. So first one is Hindi for the Indian audience and someone who knows Hindi. जो भी वीडियोस देखते हैं प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, तुम्हारा ही चैनल है. नाउ लेट मी स्पीक ऑन इंग्लिश फॉर अदर ऑडियंस. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड शो सम सपोर्ट. थैंक्स टू ऑल आवर करंट सब्सक्राइबर. मजे आ गए. एंड टू द रेस्ट कम ऑन बोर्ड and let's make 88% shrink. Now let's move to the code. Now let's move to the home page, and here we'll show all the codes that we have just uploaded in our last video. So we'll show a course collection here by using a stream builder. So let's move to the home.dart file and we'll write a stream and we'll name the stream course stream here. Now we'll create a function name all course so that we can show all the codes that have been uploaded in the Firestore database. So we'll create a widget all codes here and we'll return a stream builder, and in the builder we'll pass a context, a sync snapshot. Basically a sync snapshot will help us to get all the documents that have been present in that respective collection. And in the stream will pass a course stream. Now in the return will pass a snapshot dot hash data, and through the hash data method will check that if the data has been present in that respective collection or not, and will pass a list view dot builder item builder context index, and will get the respective index of that document that we want to show in the list view. So if the data is present, then we'll show a list view here, and if not, then we'll just show a container here. Now in the item count, I will get all the document count that present in that respective collection. So we'll pass a snapshot dot data dot docs dot length. Now we'll write document snapshot ds equals to snapshot dot data dot docs dot index, and we'll get the index of that respective document in the ds, and through this ds we can get that respective field in our Flutter app. So we'll remove a row widget from here that we have made just for the UI, and we'll paste it to the list view so that we can show all the codes in the form of list view. And we'll remove the padding, so we'll write edge inset dot 0, and as you know that our image is in the form of the link, so we'll use a image dot network, and in the ds method we'll pass that respective field name which is image, so we'll write image here, and in the text we'll pass the respective course name, so we'll write ds course. Basically, we also need to show the count of that respective videos that present in that course. So here we need to add one more field named count here, and through this count we'll show that respective count of that videos present in that respective course. So let's move to the add course.dart file, and we'll pass a count here in the map. So at the starting we'll pass 0, and will keep on increasing as the user add one video after the another to that course. So through the respective ID we can go to that count and can increase the count value by 1, and it will just update the count in just few seconds. And in the ds we'll pass a count field name. So let's move to the database.dart file, and we need to create a function so that we can show all the documents that present in the course collection. So we'll write future stream query snapshot get all course. Now we'll write firebase firestore.instance.collection, and we'll pass a course collection here, and through the dot snapshot we'll get all the document that present in that respective course collection. Now we'll create a function name get on the load async course stream equals to await database methods dot get all course and will pass a set state, and in the init state will pass a get on the load function. So as you know that init state is the first function that usually calls when the app starts. Now let's call the all course function in our column widget. Now we'll hot restart it again, and here you can see the first document that we have just uploaded to the Firestore database, and it is working brilliantly, and we can show all the course in our home page, and you can see a course name, image link and the count. Now let's move and we'll add one more course to our home page, and we'll name the course name Flutter Beginner Course, and we'll click to the add button. So course has been uploaded successfully. Now let's move to the home page again, and here you can see the course that we have just uploaded from the add course page, and it takes just a few seconds to show that course in our home page. So it is working brilliantly, and we can show as many courses we want in our Flutter Courses app. Now let's provide the margin from the bottom. Now let's move and we'll add the YouTube link to the course that we have added in our home page. So we'll move to the pages folder and we'll create a new file name all videos.dart, and we'll first import the package, and we'll create a stateful widget name all videos here. Now scaffold, body, container, child, column, children. Now in the column widget we'll show our course name at the top, and just below the course name there will be all the YouTube videos that the user can play by choosing the course from their home page. So we'll move to the home.dart file, and first we'll copy the background color from here and we'll paste it in the scaffold widget. Now here we want to show a course name, so we'll move to the home.dart file again and we'll copy the same padding widget and we'll paste it here, and we'll show our course name in the text widget. So when I will tap to this course, then it will show me the course name at the top, and the right side of the screen you can see a user image, and at that side it will show me the course image that you can see in the home page. So first we'll need to get our course name and the course image, so we'll write string here, and first we'll get the course image and the course name, and we'll write all videos this dot image and name. So here it is done. Now let's move to the home.dart file, and we'll wrap up a container widget with a gesture director where we have shown a course name and the image, and will push the user directly to the all videos.dart file from where they can see all the videos. So we will use a navigator.push function here, and will write context material page root, and will push them into the all videos, and in the image will pass the image which will be the course image, and in the name will pass a course name. So here you can see the image and the course name. Sorry, it will be not name, it will be a course field name. So here it is done. Now let's move to the alt videos dot file again, and in the text widget we'll write widget dot name so that we can get the name, and in the image we'll need to change it to the network because image is in the form of the HTTP link. So here it is done. Now we'll hot reload it again. Now when I'll tap to this course, so here you can see the course name, and at the right side you can see a course image. So it is working brilliantly, and we can show the course name here with a course image. So now we'll create a container here so that we can show all the videos in this container. So we'll move to the home.dart file again. So I'll copy this container from here and we'll paste it in the all videos.dart file. I don't want to write the code again and again because it will save my time to code in the all videos.dart file. Now we will remove the margin from the top and we'll pass a 70.0. Now we'll create a floating action button here, and in the child we'll first pass the icons.add. We are showing this floating action button because by this floating action button, when the user will tap, there will be a dialog box from where they can paste the YouTube link, and that link will help us to show that videos in this page. So here it is done, and you can see a container and a floating action button. So there is a lots of space from the top. So we'll change it to 40. Now we'll wrap up a container with a material widget and we'll pass the elevation 5.0, and we'll pass the same border radius to the material widget. So here you can see the elevation, and we'll provide the size box height 30.0 from the top. Now I want that the container to use a complete height of the screen. So I will change the value and will check that the specific value that I will be needed so that it can use a complete height of the screen. So 1.3 looks better here and it covers a complete screen. Now let's move to the home.dart file here again, and we'll pass a customized color code to our floating action button. Now I will create a dialog box here which will be open when the user will tap to this floating action button. So we'll write future open dialog, show dialog, context, and in the builder we'll pass a alert dialog box here. Now content, and in the content we'll first pass a container, child, column, children, row, and in the row we'll first show a close icon here so that user can tap to this icon and can close a open dialog box, and we'll pass a gesture director in our cancel icon, and in the on tap function we'll pass a navigator dot pop context so it can easily pop out a dialog box here. So if you have followed my other series in this channel, then you already know to create a alert dialog box and how to create alert dialog box easily in your Flutter app. But so if you are learning to create a dialog box for the first time, then by through this series you also learn to create a dialog box in your Flutter app. So in the text widget we'll pass a add video text, and in the style we'll pass a text style, and in the color we'll first pass a customized color code and font width dot bold. So here it is done. Now let's provide the size box with 50.0. Now we'll create a text widget here, and in the text widget I will suggest the user to add a YouTube link, and will again pass a size box height 10.0, and in the container will first pass a padding because we are going to create a text field here so that user can paste a YouTube link of that specific video and can add that video to this course. So let me create the text field here. So here it is done, and will pass a size box height 30.0. Now I will create a customize button here so that we can tap to this button and can directly upload the YouTube link to this course. So let's create a customize button here. So we'll give a customize button name save here. So here it is done. Now let's move to the floating action button, and in the onPress method we'll pass a open dialog function which will help us to open the dialog box here. Now let's hot reload it again. Now when I'll tap to this floating action button, you can see the dialog box. So we need to provide the styling to this dialog box so that it will look more attractive for the user to add the link in this dialog box. So there is a lots of space that left after adding the text field and the text. So we'll change the content to title here, and you can see that by passing the title it will take that much space that we want to show in the dialog box. So here it looks good. Now let's provide some more styling to the button and the text field. So here we have create a complete dialog box, and we have passed some space and the border radius to our button and the text field, and here it's look good. Now we can add the YouTube link to this text field. So to manage the text that the user will enter in the text field, you already know that we need to use a text editing controller here. So we'll write text editing controller YouTube video controller equals to new text editing controller, and we'll pass this controller to this text field so that we can manage the link that the user will pass on this text field. Now we'll wrap up our customized button with a gesture detector, and in the onTap function. So we need to also pass a ID and count to the all videos.dart file so that we can upload a collection name videos to that specific course, and we can show that collection name videos in our all videos.dart file, and through the ID we can update the count of that course because we need to update each time when the user will add the YouTube link to this course. So we will pass the ID and count to the all videos.dart file, and first we'll move to the home.dart file here again, and here in the navigator function we'll write ID, and through the ds method we'll get a specific doc ID through which we can update the count, and here we need to also pass a count so that we can update the count. Now in this map string dynamic method we'll first pass a link of that YouTube video that the user will paste in this text field, and we'll get the text by using YouTube video controller.text. So here we need to update the count. So we'll write int total equals to int dot parse. We need to parse the total to int because as you can see our count is in the form of the string, so we need to change it to the integer. So we'll get the count by using widget.count method and we'll store that count in our total integer. Now we need to update the count by adding by 1 so that we can show the count in our home page. So we'll write total equals to total plus 1. Now let's move to the database.dart file, and here I will create a update method here so that we can frequently update the count in our courses collection. So we'll write update count here and we'll pass a collection name course, and we don't need a map string dynamic method here. We just need a string ID to go to that specific ID and string number where we can pass a count number. Now we'll go to the course collection, then to that specific doc ID, and here we need to update a count field here. So we'll write dot update, and in the bracket we'll write a field name count and we'll pass a updated number to this count. So if you want to learn more about update, delete, create, read method through the Firebase and how to show all the collections in the Flutter app, then you can follow one of my video on my channel where I have created a real project by using a Flutter crude method where I have explained all these 4 things in much more detail. So if you are a beginner to this Flutter app, then that video will help you to learn lots of things regarding the Flutter and the Firebase. Now we'll write async, and in the await we'll pass a database methods dot update count, and in the id we'll pass a specific doc id, and in the number we'll pass a total which is our updated count number, and we need to write dot to string because we are passing a string here and our total is in the form of integer. So here it will create a collection named videos, and in that videos collection it will keep on uploading one video after the another to that specific course. So we'll create one more function name add video and we'll write our map name user video map. So here it will go to the collection course and that specific doc id, and it will create one more collection named videos, and we'll add one videos after the another in our videos collection. So here it is done. Now we'll again write await, and through the database method we'll pass a add video function and we'll pass a map string dynamic name add video and specific doc id by using widget.id. So these are the things we need to add to upload the videos to that specific course and update the count. So if you are following with me and coding with me, then you won't face a difficulty because after writing each and every function, I am explaining you why I have used that function in the Flutter app. So you will find very easy if you follow along with me. Now will pass a navigator.pop context so that we can pop out a dialog box here. So here it is done. Now we need to paste our YouTube link video. So let's move to our channel. So here you can see the channel. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, then please do not forget to hit that subscribe button because we need to make the 88% shrink so that we can add some more fellow developers to this channel. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Now you can see a join button here, and through this join button you can also become our club member, which is code crafter, and through this club you can enable lots of benefit like member sort out, priority reply to comment, and some loyalty badges. So don't forget to become a club member. So let's move to the video section, and here you can see the lots of videos that we uploaded to this channel to become master in Flutter and Firebase. So let me pick one of my video from our channel. So here you can see the e-commerce app that we have made from the scratch. So you can follow this video to develop a app from the scratch and can add one more app to your app bucket list. So this is one of the most interesting series that I have created on this channel. So let's copy this video link and we'll move to the our app and we'll paste the link in our text field. Now click on save. So here it is done. Now let's move to the Firebase and we'll check the YouTube link. Now refresh the page. So here you can see the our count has been changed from 0 to 1 because we have added one YouTube link to this course. Now let's refresh this page. And here you can see the videos collection and the doc ID, and you can see the link of that specific video. Now let's open this link, and it frequently plays the video in our web browser. So through this link we can play the video in our Flutter app. So this is it from this part. On our next part, we will add the YouTube thumbnail to the Firebase Firestore, and we'll also use a web view so that we can play all YouTube videos in our Flutter app. So next part will be the last part of this awesome YouTube video player app series, and after that you will have a fifth app to your app bucket list. I am saying fifth app because we have already made 4 apps on this channel from the scratch, which are chat app, e-commerce app, to-do app, and quiz app. Also, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that we can add some more developers to this channel and can make 88% shrink. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.